Hello students, today we are discussing the negative sentences, how to form a negative sentence if the given sentence is in a affirmative form. So let's see, and in this video we will discuss how we can make the negative sentence in an interrogative form, in a question form. Negative as well as in interrogative form. Everyone loves his country. हर किसी ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਨਾਲ ਪਿਆਰ ਹੈ। ਕਿਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਨਾਲ ਪਿਆਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ? ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਇਨ ਅ ਫਾਰਮ ਆਫ ਅ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ। ਕਿਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਨਾਲ ਪਿਆਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ? ਕਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਨਾਲ ਪਿਆਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ? I am asking it in a question form. Everyone loves his country. ਹਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਨਾਲ ਪਿਆਰ ਹੈ। ਕਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਨਾਲ ਪਿਆਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ? It is in a question form. So we will make this sentence in negative as well as in a question form. Everyone loves his country. Who does not love his country? Okay, why does here? Because this is in a present indefinite form, loves. Everyone loves his country. So either we can add do or does here, but with who we use who does not. Everyone laughed at his joke. Who? But here we will add who did not. Why did not this time? Because it was in a verb second form, past. Who did not? So after did we will add laugh, not laughed. Who did not laugh at his joke? Okay. He was foolish enough to go there. Okay. We will take this helping verb out and make a question. Was not or wasn't? Wasn't. It is a shortened form of was not. Wasn't he foolish even enough, to go there? Either you can ask questions by using the word who, does not, or you, if the helping verb is there, then you take out that helping verb out and put it in front and make the question with the help of that helping verb. He faced many difficulties in his life. No helping verb is there and verb second form is here. So we know how we can start this question with the did not. Did not or didn't he. After as didn't is used here, we will add the verb's first form. Didn't he face many difficulties in his life? He wants to divorce his wife. As again no helping verb is used, and from wants we come to know that it's it's present indefinite tense, because with verbs first form s is used. So he wants to divorce his wife, so we will start with the does not. Does not, doesn't, or doesn't he want to divorce his wife? India has won the match by 9 wickets. Here has is used. So we will take it out and bring it in front and make the question with the help of it. Has not or hasn't India won the match with by 9 wickets? I hope this is clear to you. You have to see the tense. If it is present tense, you can make question with the do and does not. do not or does not, if the tense is in present form, present indefinite. If the tense is present indefinite, then start the question with do not or does not. If the sentence is in past indefinite form, then start the question with did not. If any helping verb is given, for example, is given, so starts with is not. Was is given, was not. Am is given, am not. Are is given, are not. Were is given, were not. Has is given, has not. Have is given, have not. Had is given, had not. Okay. If these verbs are given, so start with that thing. Will, if will is given, starts with will not. Okay. If the everyone is given in the front, then starts with who does not, who did not. Okay. If everyone is there, we convert it into who does not. I hope this is clear to you. Please practice these sentences and learn the concept. Thank you.